Forces by Vaishanavi and Amulya. So what are forces?
A force is a push or a pull resulting from an object's interaction with another object.
One of the most important concepts of forces are Newton's laws. There are 3 laws which are fundamentals of forces. The first law says that objects maintain constant velocity unless they are acted upon by an unbalanced force. The second law is F equals ma, which means force equals mass times acceleration. For inclines, use theta in your calculations. Make sure you separate the components of forces into 2 parts and solve for each component, such as f of x equals max and f of y equals may. The third law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. So what are free body diagrams?
Free body diagrams are diagrams that show the forces acting upon an object and the direction in which they're acting.
Read this problem and see if you can solve it. If you can't solve it, don't worry. We're here to help and we'll show you how to solve it.
First, write down your givens and identify what variables you have to find. In this problem, we're given the mass, acceleration, force applied, and the angle, and we're asked to find the coefficient of kinetic friction.
After you identify your givens and the find, draw a diagram representing the factors in the question and a free body diagram representing the forces. Here is a diagram representing the question, and here is the free body diagram representing the force. Remember to identify the direction of motion. It's now time to solve the problem.
To solve the problem, look at the free body diagram and separate the given forces into their x and y components. Then, use the force formula to plug and chug and find the missing variables. In this problem, we found the coefficient of kinetic friction to be 0.21. And remember, the coefficient of friction never has any units.
Remember to always draw free body diagrams and identify the forces present. Normal force exists only when an object is in contact with the surface. Separate all the x and y forces and plug and chug to solve for the missing variable. It's an easy concept if you don't overthink it. You got this. Good luck.
Thanks for watching.
Good luck with AP Physics.